Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for David in Georgia on this Galaxy DX55 HP. David, got ready to go for you, bud. It came in here with a no transmit, no audio issue. We found is the two MOSFETs in the final sections were shorted. Replaced those, and then we had a carrier and no audio signal. There was an echo board in there wrapped up in black electrical tape. It had probably grounded against the case somewhere and it was bad, so we replaced it. There's your echo right there. So let's just get right to it. Turn our power all the way down. 5-watt slug, 1 watt. On your note, you wanted it set at 10 watts on the high. So let's roll it all the way up here with a 25-watt slug. About 11. Show you average power swing. 25 bird, 50-watt slug in PEP. 50 watts PEP. Of course, also David did the voltage regulator upgrade as you requested also, and replaced a couple electrolytics while we were in there. So it's ready to come back to you. David, appreciate your patience from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.